Okay guys, take a look at this beautiful cake. I'm going to show you guys how I made this banana coconut cake. If you're interested in this video, watch to the end and also help me to share. This is really simple to make. Oh yeah, let's go. What you need for this recipe is ripe banana. Make sure the banana is really ripe so that it will be easy for you to mash it up with spoon or anything. But if it's not that soft like this, use your blender to blend it and make it easy for you. So once I'm done mashing it like this, next I'm going to go in with sugar. So I added a little sugar. I don't like sugar. And then I added my grated coconut. I went in with six raw eggs. And then I added my butter, melted butter. I added 2 cups of milk like this. And then I'm going to mix it up nicely. So once I'm done mixing up like this, next I'm going to sieve my self-rising flour into it. So because I'm using self-rising flour, I'm not going to be making use of baking powder because the cake is going to rise on its own, okay? If you are using plain flour, add baking powder. But if you are using self-rising flour, there's no need for you to go in with baking powder. So I sieve the flour into my mixture like you can see, and then I'm going to gently mix it up. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, does this right here look like something you would love to try? More especially mothers with little kids that love to celebrate their birthday. To buy birthday cake now, no be here. So I mix it up like this and then I transfer it into my baking pan as you can see. Butter your pan. If you like, you can put brown paper like I did. But if you don't have brown paper, just butter it very well. You are good to go. And then transfer the mixture into it as you can see. If you find this video helpful, please help me to share it. And if you're going to give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section. And do well to tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video, I'm going to give you a shout out, okay? So next, I baked in the oven. For the leftover one, I transfer it into my smaller pan and then I'm going to go in with coconut on top of it since we are going to be using this one to test. And then I bake in the oven. That is it. Now take a look at this. Are you going to give this a try? Drop your comments in the comment section. It really came out well, and guess what? It tastes amazing. Omo, time don't pass when you go to buy cake for your baby's birthday. Go into your kitchen and be productive. It really came out nice and it tastes amazing. This is so simple to make, guys. This is something you can make in the comfort of your own kitchen. Take a look at this cake now. Tell me, are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. It really tastes great. I love the taste, the flavor of the banana and the coconut. Oh my goodness, it takes it to another level. Give this a try. You are going to love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please help me to share it, okay? So that I get to more people. See you on my next one. Bye.